Welcome back everyone. I made this video not too long ago, but some methods have changed, so I'll go ahead and show you exactly how to get a public profile on both an iPhone and Android on Snapchat. So I'll start off with iPhone. Now I will go ahead and show you guys that I do have a public profile, so I can go and click here, click up here, and you can see my public profile. Now something crazy, I didn't even know this. I already have 5.2 thousand subscribers on here. I didn't even know I had subscribers on here, so if you want to follow me, there's a username, there's everything. Please subscribe, that'd be awesome if I help you out. But this is what you need to do. First of all, you want to go ahead and make sure, and I want to give this huge caveat, it may not work for you yet because Snapchat is still rolling out this feature, just like how they're rolling out the dark mode feature, so keep that in mind. There are some ways to circumvent this, and I will explain that in a second. But for everyone else, you want to go and go into your profile little option right here. You want to click on settings. Then what you want to do is you want to scroll down until you see who can right here, and you want to make sure these things are set to almost exactly like how I have it here. So you can set your location as only me, but you want to set your view my story to everyone or custom, it doesn't matter. Send me notifications, everyone, and contact me, everyone. Now view my story, I want to set it to everyone just because in the example of this video, I don't even know why I did that. And then at this point, all you want to do is hop out and you should see somewhere, you should be able to see either at the snapmap. The new feature within Snapchat is, if you'll see it, you will see Spotlight and snapmap. So when you see that, you'll basically have the opportunity to do the same thing. So you'll see the little add to snapmap or Spotlight and snapmap. You want to go ahead and click all those three dots right here, and you should see a little option that says create a public profile. Now that's what I had to do like a month and a half ago, 2 months ago. If you remember that video, I talked about basically the same exact process. But what I did then was I clicked add to snapmap. I clicked there and I clicked add or like create public profile. But that method has changed now, and I can't undo my public profile and then redo it. I don't think, maybe I can. But the new method is wait for that little Spotlight and snapmap method to come up, that little tab just like this. You want to click on the three dots right there. There should be a little option that says create a public profile, and you go ahead and follow those same steps, and you'll pretty much come into a panel like this. And that's pretty much what I had to do, and that pretty much fixed it for me, and I was able to go ahead and create a public profile. So again, this is kind of temporary. So again, it's still coming out, in beta form, so it may take a second or two for it to officially come out, but I'll go ahead and show you exactly how to do it on an Android device as well. So if you have an Android device, in order to create a public profile, like I said before, it's rolling out to everyone. It's not necessarily out for everyone just yet. As you can see on my other Snapchat that I just made like 2 days ago, it's just like a fake one, just a stupid one. I don't have the option of, Spotlight and snapmap. I have the add to snapmap option, but it doesn't give me the opportunity to actually go ahead and create a public profile like I've already done with my main account. So what should theoretically work for you is to actually go into your profile option like this on your Android device. You want to go ahead and hit up settings right here. What you want to do then is you want to scroll down until you can see this little option that says who can, and you want to pretty much send all these things to, everyone. And once these things are all set to everyone, you want to hop back out. And if your specific account has the opportunity to enhance the capability, you should see some type of thing that says Spotlight and snapmap. So right now I don't have that Spotlight and snapmap feature or that little tab. I do have add to snapmap, and what I did last time to get my last public profile on my main account was to actually click on the add to snapmap option. I clicked those three dots right there, and there was a little create a public profile option, and all I had to do was click that little profile option, and that actually ended up fixing it, and I actually was able to post on there and create a public profile. So this is my main account. You can go and follow me if you want to. I'd really appreciate it. There's a snap code, there's everything. But what I did here last time is you can see my public profiles right here. You can see, and like I said before, 5.2 thousand subscribers. It's crazy. What I had to do here was I had to go ahead and basically do the same thing, but I didn't have that Spotlight and snapmap little tab. Instead, I had this one. I clicked there. There was a create a public profile option there, and I clicked it. So like I said, even though I have a public profile, I still don't have that tab because it's not rolled out to my account. So that's the new thing you have to watch out for. You have to find that little, Spotlight and snapmap little tab whenever that comes up, and you have to go ahead and go through there and create a public profile. So right now it's not available for everyone. On some cases it is, but there is a way to kind of circumvent this, and it's, downloading a VPN. So I tried, one of these VPNs, this one, it didn't work out for me. You can try some other VPNs too on both an Android and iPhone, see if it works for you. But for me, it didn't work out. So those are pretty much the main ways to go ahead and actually get the Spotlight and snapmap feature and actually create a public profile on Snapchat. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also, check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.